Hi, I got a new smart doll and I thought I would just open it, and there was a change I was probably going to make to it, so I thought I would do that while I was taping also. So here's your smart doll bag. Keep calm and carry a smart doll. And here she is. Look in her box. I didn't get any extras. I am wanting to get some hands, and that's probably about it. Some hands. Here's her stand. Looks like she's cinnamon skin tone. For some reason I thought she was tea. Here's the card. Smart doll card. And here's her wig. It's a dark oak. And this is the change that I might be making with her. So we'll have to see. So I'm just going to set that right now there because I might not be putting that on her. I'm not sure. Hey, here she is. They're so fun to open, even though I have a few now. Every time I open them, it's just amazing. They're so big. It's so fun. So she has almost looks greenish gray, but it might be this lighting. So this is Prowess. I don't have very good setup here. So this is Smart Doll Prowess, and she must be cinnamon skin tone. And Prowess is so pretty. Look at her. She has like cat marks on her face. That's how I would describe them. And her eyes are almost like a purpley color. The lighting's not super great in here. And this is her wig. Let's see if I can. The last one was twisted weird. Oh, it's very long. And it has bangs. And when I bought her, I was noticing that I thought she looked a lot like Summer, Dolores. She is the tea skin tone, and she's cinnamon. So their faces, even their expression, their mouths and stuff, I thought were a lot alike. And her hair is this. I'm not even sure what color it is. Is it the same? It looks the same. And this wig, it might be the same wig. And so I was thinking when I bought her, I thought, I don't know if I want to have that wig. Well, I was thinking I should buy a new wig. That's what I was thinking, so that she would look different than my Summer one. Her skin tone is a different color. Her face is different. Her eye color is different. But there are a lot of the same characteristics. She has bigger like cat eye makeup, I'm thinking. And her eye color. But, so I ordered her a new wig. And this wig I ordered off of Etsy. It's the style is Jeanette, color auburn. And I got it from Beauty Dolls. Facebook, Etsy, and on the web. And I just got it off their Etsy site. So Beauty Dolls. And I've already taken it out and I tried it on Cassie. It's a little bigger, but on their heads, but I do have some wig caps coming. These little silicone-y rubber things that go on their head that helps hold wigs in place. The couple ball joint dolls that I have those, and they're like make their heads sticky so that the wig stays on better, because this wig is bigger on the inside. But look how cute. What color did I say it was? It was like auburn mix. So I thought because of her stripes on her face that this would be fun, because it's kind of got some reds and some browns, and it still has bangs because I like bangs. It just slides right on like that. Oh, so look how cute that is. That's not cute. And I ordered a colored wig. It hasn't got here yet. So we're gonna, not for her, just for, I have someone in mind for the colored wig, but look how cute. And see, they have kind of the same face, but they're not going to have the same hair. So that's fun. And I just thought I would dress her really quick too. I don't know if I've changed anyone. Well, I guess this was in that haul of the clothes that were all in plastic and I couldn't get into. So I'll hurry and put some pants on her, some leggings. I didn't take her underwear off. I think I have been doing that when I get them dressed. I just didn't think about it. And I'm still kind of an awkward dresser, so bear with me. These are cute. I ordered some shorts in like this same material. I'm not sure if it was by the same person who made these, because of all those long socks I bought. I thought it'd be fun to have shorts with long socks. I'm gonna pull her head off. Sorry. So that I can get her shirt on. I don't know if I'll have to take her hands off. Yeah. See, I want to order some new hands. Now I don't remember what way it goes, like that. Some new hands, because there's different hands with different expressions. There's one that does like peace sign in it and stuff. I want the ones that have not the peace signs and not the grabbing ones. There's like 3 different kinds. So eventually I hope to get some new hands. And I should have taken her top off too, her sports bra, but I'll have to do that later. I just wanted to quickly get some clothes on her. So they just are like the basic looking hands. And because she has the cat face, I always see the Prowess ones with these hands that kind of look like this. And kind of cat-like. But I don't know if that's in the set that I am interested in. There it is. I cannot find... There. I like to keep the wrist on the top. The wrist movement. Oh, and I'm going to put these shoes on her. These boots. These were Cassie's boots that she was wearing. But I got another new pair of shoes and I tried them on Cassie. Maybe I'll show you. So this is her outfit. I like this shirt. just because it just looks like a shirt, like a normal shirt. And that wig is so big, I can put her head back on and then just set the wig back on her head. Oh, she's so cute. So there's our new girl, Prowess. Prowess in cinnamon skin tone. I don't have a name for her yet. Oh, she's so pretty. And Genesis, I was looking up names to change Genesis's name, and I think I'm just going to leave it Genesis because I really like that name, and it means star. And then here's Dolores, and see how the hair color makes them not look so exactly alike. And so I'm going to show you. Here is Cassie. These are the other shoes that I got. Cute, huh? When I opened them, I'm like, oh, those aren't going to fit. They're going to be so wide, they're going to fall off, but they fit. And then I have these long socks on her, and I just put this shorts set. It almost kind of looks like pajamas, but pajamas. But anyway, so there's 3 of the girls. So fun. So there's our new girl, Miss Prowess. And then when we get our other wig, we'll have to show our new colored wig off on who I have kind of thought that it would go on. So anyway, thanks for watching and welcoming the new girl here. Maybe I'll do a close-up. So we got Cassie, Prowess, and Dolores. And this is her face. Isn't she pretty? And that golden hair. And that would have been her other hair. Looks like it's almost exactly the same as the summer hair. And I like her hair. Her long, straight, shiny silver. Anyway, there's the shoes. They're just really fun. So glad I found them out and I've got a few to be able to play with and enjoy. So anyway, hope you all have a lovely day and we'll see you again next time. Love you guys.